Okay, go for it.
Oh, you just lost 2 points on your main.
Yeah, you just lost those points that you
Well, just grab Scott's knife.
Oh, sorry. Sorry, Betty. Oh, it smells good.
You having fun there, Aiden? You gonna get that present open? There you go.
There you go, baby.
What's that?
Here, start.
Go,
Baby, go. Go, Ollie, go.
You know what?
Ollie's gonna beat you, buddy.
Right now.
You better hurry up.
Someone need a box.
You need help with the ribbon?
I think I have 2 box cutters in my
Okay,
pocket.
there you go.
And plus 4.
I know we have at least 3.
Oh man, that's what good.
They're sitting on top of the TV upstairs.
I used to
Let's
work,
light a candle.
Let's light this one.
They always end up in my pocket.
Like Christmas.
I don't put it in my pocket.
Oh, do you use like a very thin square?
They got him glass.
Mine is the replaceable angled blade.
Right.
But it's like got the whole section I can slide in.
Oh my goodness.
It's pretty nice.
I don't know. Oh, here, we gotta open it up. Okay. Okay, check it out.
My mom will like that.
What is it? Oh, that is cool. I love that.
Oh,
Mac
awesome.
Yeah.
Hey, there's
Oh, yeah.
A Viewmaster with like.
Oh, man.
Yeah, those are cool. All kinds of things. A Viewmaster. Awesome. Yeah.
Can I open this up?
Sure, yeah.
Aiden.
Hey, look at the camera and tell Grandpa Steve thank you.
What do you say?
Thank you, Grandpa Steve and Grandma Mary.
What do you say, Aiden?
Look at, turn around and look at the camera, please.
Say it.
Thank you, Grandma Stephen.
Oh, I thought you were collecting.
Merry
Not on my
Christmas.
hand.
Oh,
They have another present right there.